Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 23rd question in exercise 4.2. We need to transform the value of this particular determinant and find out to be x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So let's first start with the first transformation. Here I'm going to add the first column with the third column so that all the elements in the first column will become x plus y plus z. So let's do it. So the first transformation is column 1 plus column 3. So this makes the first column have all elements as x plus y plus z, because it will help us in taking it out this particular value in the next step. So now for the second column, we will copy it as such. So this will become y plus z and the third column is x plus z. The last column will be simply xyz. Now let's do this next transformation. See here, this is x plus y and x. So if I subtract here, then I will get a single value instead of the positive value. So let's take out this first element, x plus y plus z. I'm going to reduce this to 1, 1, 1, and this becomes x plus y, y plus z, and x plus z. Here comes your x, y, and z. So if you write, the next transformation is going to be C2 is equal to C2 minus of C3. So let's keep the outer factor as such. So x plus y plus z, 1, 1, 1. Now x plus y minus x is going to be y. Y plus z minus y is z. The last one is going to be obviously x. And now comes x, y, and z. Now I have the first column where all the elements are going to be 1. So this time I'm going to do a row transformation. R2 is equal to R2 minus R1 and R3 is going to be equal to R3 minus R1. So this will become x plus y plus z. The factor I'm keeping it as such. The first row 1y x will remain the same. Second row 1 minus 1 is 0, z minus y, and in this case it is y minus x. The last row 1 minus 1 is 0, x minus y, z minus x. Now in the first column you have only one element which is 1, the others are 0. So we're going to expand along this particular column. So if you expand along this column, what happens? You need to do only one product. The other terms will simply vanish. So let's do it. So it is x plus y plus z. Now we'll open a bracket. This is going to be what you need to multiply. So it is z minus y into z minus x minus of y minus x into x minus y. Now you can multiply this term wise. So let's do that. So x plus y plus z into, I'm going to do this multiplication part first. So this is z squared minus yz minus xz plus xy. Now you open a minus sign because I'm not yet ready to remove that bracket yet. So we will put a minus sign but still continue to multiply. So this will become xy minus x squared minus y squared plus xy. Now let's remove the bracket in the next step. So x plus y plus z into z squared minus yz minus xz plus xy minus xy plus x squared plus y squared minus xy. Now I'm going to cut any common term that is left. So this will be the minus xy and the plus xy. So the final answer will become x plus y plus z into x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus xy minus yz minus xz. Now x plus y into this particular term, we know the formula. So this is actually equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus of 3xyz. So this is what we were asked to prove. So hence proved. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 24th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.